Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are looking at an Uber driver who makes $133,000 per year. You don't want to miss this video. So if you're an Uber driver and you're thinking about being an Uber driver and you want to, get into those high six-figure earnings, this video is for you. We're gonna break it down. It's definitely possible, and a lot of drivers are actually hitting over 2K a week now. It's called the 2K Club. So please thumbs up the video. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. And before we jump in, I want to thank our video sponsor, Car Products USA. So CarProductsUSA.com is your place where you can get all the products that you need to have under your hood or under your belt in your trunk as an Uber driver. They have products for cleaning your car, washing your car phone mounts, phone chargers, car vacuums, dash cams, car air fresheners, car organizing products for music, jump starting kits, floor mats, seat protectors, car refrigerators, steering wheel covers, windshield covers, keychains, even first aid kits for your car. So go check out CarProductsUSA.com. We have a link below, and we also have a coupon code where you can get up to 20% off using our link and code. So go to CarProductsUSA.com or use the link below in the description. Okay, so this comes out of our Facebook group. We do have a Facebook group with over 20,000 members in it, and a lot of drivers share their earnings. So this comes from Paul Lehman. He made over $107,000 with Uber. In total, $133,000, I believe, yeah, with Lyft and Uber combined. His actual take home is 83 grand. So as you can see here, with Lyft, 26,000 bucks, and with Uber, $107,000. That's crazy. Yeah, actually with the 993, it's actually closer to 134,000 bucks. But he made 107,000 bucks. Trip earnings 103, additional trip earnings 4,000, and he did 5,000 trips, 51,000 online miles, 1,000 rides with Lyft, 8,000 online miles. Oh, gee, that's only half the year. So, so this is, my friends, the gross earnings. So what does that mean? Uber pays you whatever the rider pays. That's your gross pay. Now, they also charge you their service fee. Uber and Lyft has a service fee that they're taking into account here, which is basically, after they take their cut. So another thing you really want to keep in mind is online miles. So Lyft, for instance, here is only tracking the miles where you're online, but what about all those miles you put on your car where you're offline? You're driving home at the end of the night. That's technically a commute. You're driving you turn the app off to go get gas. That's another mile there, mile 2 here. You want to make sure you're tracking all of your miles. We do have a link below to sign up for Solo. Solo has a mileage tracking feature. Actually, Solo will give you 10 bucks when you sign up with our link below and link your gig account. That's really important you do that. Actually link your gig account, not just sign up in order for you to get that $10. But they have a mileage tracking feature where they'll track your miles while you're driving, and actually you'll have more miles than this, because if you just use this figure, you're basically missing out. And I know a lot of drivers just, use this figure. That's what I did when I first started driving. I was like, yeah, it looks fine to me. There's actually more miles you can write off. And that's I'm not a CPA, I'm not an accountant, but you can basically save a ton of money in taxes if you actually track your miles yourself rather than using this number, which is a lot lower. And they should tell you that, but they don't. And personal finance is not taught in schools, so I'm telling you here. So yeah, guys, I mean, how do you make over 100,000 bucks a year? Well, you have to drive. You have to hit 2,000 a week. You can drive every single day, or what you can do is choose to drive smarter and not harder. You can sign up for these apps like Play Octopus, which we have a link below. They pay you. You use our link below anywhere in the country. You sign up. They're paying you up to 100 bucks extra per month. Boom, that's an extra 1,000 bucks a year, right? There's no added expense for that. You just put in your car. Mileage tracking. You want to make sure you're tracking your miles correctly. Using hotspots, multi-apping. Some drivers use 4, 5, 6 different apps, and it is possible because, you know, in the mornings it's busier with Uber and Lyft. In the lunchtime it's way busier with Uber Eats. It's way busier with DoorDash. In the evenings it's super busy with Instacart because everybody's getting home from work and they're ordering their groceries. They don't want to go grocery shopping. They're lazy. People order their groceries during the day, and on the weekends people order a ton of groceries. So you can potentially, and oh yeah, and Solo, by the way, has a guaranteed pay feature. So if you're in one of those areas, they have a nationwide version where you can sign up and get that $10, but Solo actually does have a guaranteed pay feature where you can, you know, do shifts and they'll pay you up to like $37 in a single hour. And on the weekends, a lot of people do Instacart groceries, or you'll get alcohol, a lot of alcohol deliveries on the weekends during the day and at night. So it's really helpful to have multiple apps open and running at the same time. So yeah. So I'm gonna end the video there, but definitely go check out carproductsusa.com. Thank you so much for sponsoring the video. You can get car cleaning products, dash cams, phone chargers, seat protectors, car vacuums, tipping signs, coffee mugs for your car. So go check out carproductsusa.com. Really affordable, cheap rates, like iPhone chargers, $9. I know a lot of like Apple Store, they're like 30, 40 bucks now, which is crazy. And use our link below, Rideshare Hub, or use our code Rideshare Hub for a discount when you go to carproductsusa.com. Thank you so much for watching today's video, guys, and let me know your thoughts on if it's possible to make over $100,000 a year in your experience. Bye now.